I'm hoping you won't be able to distinguish my shots, sir. Take control of your weapon!
Hold 8. Can't hold 8.
Ammunition! For the magazine of 20 rounds, low! Put it in. There. Sights at 200. Ready. Test and adjust your position. This practice, the 40 round rapid practice, one exposure of 1 minute 30 seconds. You have a change of magazine. The target is the two bottom, left and right target. 40 rounds rapid! 40 rounds rapid! Fire! Pick it up. What have you got in there? Empty? Unload! For inspection, pour on! There! 3-4 clear! There! 2 clear! A spray! Put your weapons down! Two defenders off! Pick up your brass in the box! Magazines back to the ammunition.